Hi, my name is Lindsay Matias, and I'm the Assistant Director at Drexel's Center for Learning and Academic Success Services, the class. I want to walk you through the process of booking an appointment with one of our peer academic coaches or peer tutors. To do this, you will use the Academia system. To access Academia, first log into your Drexel One account at one.drexel.edu. You should arrive at a home page that looks something like this, and you can then navigate to the Academics tab. On the Academics tab, partway down the page, there's a section called Academic Support, where there's a link to Academia. Click on that link, and if you're prompted to log in again, you should use your Drexel ID and password. That will bring you straight into the Academia system. If you run into any issues with the login process, please contact the class at academicsuccess@drexel.edu for assistance. Once you've accessed Academia through the link in Drexel One, you will be brought to a home page that looks like this one. When you're ready to make an appointment, you will go to the Appointments drop-down and choose Create New Appointment. Select Center for Learning and Academic Success Services, and then choose the appropriate service. Because all class appointments for Fall 2020 will be held online, you want to choose Online Appointment. You can now enter the course that you're searching for using the code and number. For academic coaching, you can use PEER, P-E-E-R. In this case, we're searching for Anatomy 103. When the course appears in the results section, just click on it. You will then be brought to a screen that shows you the tutors available, along with a section that lets you specify your availability and your desired appointment length. Appointments can be anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours in length. In this case, we're going to search for an appointment on Monday with a duration of 1 hour. When you scroll down, any appointment that you see in green is available. So you can choose your desired starting time. In this case, I'm choosing 11 a.m. That will bring you to this confirmation page where you can see all of the information about your appointment. The tutor's name, the course number, the date, and the time. If you realize that you need to make changes, you can navigate back by using the links at the left of your screen. But if everything is correct, you can hit the confirm button. When you hit the confirm button, that will automatically trigger an email to you and an email to your peer tutor or peer academic coach. Your tutor or coach will also follow up with you by email before your appointment. Again, if you run into any trouble booking an appointment, you can email us at academicsuccess@drexel.edu for help. The confirmation email you receive after booking your appointment in Academia will look like this. Remember to check your confirmation emails for all appointments. The link to your online appointment is unique for each tutor or peer academic coach and can be found here below the notes section in the email. The confirmation email also contains other important information like directions for canceling or rescheduling appointments.